everyone, I am RG Alolor. I'm here to share with you meaningful event that recent took place here at Carlos Hilado Memorial State University. Our 2025 SDG Expo Village, held as part of our third University Foundation Week. This event highlighted how we CAMSO students are actively engaging in sustainable development and community-centered innovation. The SDG Expo Village was officially opened on May 13, located at the ETGB second floor, and it ran until May 16. The event was timed CAMSO celebrating sustainable gains and forging pathway to sustainability. This expo features student-led project and organizational display inspired by the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, a global for peace, prosperity, and protecting the planet. One thing that made this expo stand out was how to promote environmental consciousness. The event preparation involved using recyclable materials, reminding us of importance of waste, segregation, resourcefulness, and sustainability in our daily action. The SDG Expo brought together students, faculty, and staff from all campus, different organizations and clubs came together to present their advocacy, campaign, and sustainability-centered project, all contributing to CAMSO commitment to innovation and positive changes. Despite delay caused by high index and other circumstances and class suspension, the previous week the expo was success thanks to collaboration of the Center of External Affairs, the University Student Government, the Office of the Student Affairs, and participating student organization. This experience reminding me that we as students are not just observers of global issues, we are of solution. Through our creativity, unity, and determination, we are building a more sustainable and empower future. The SDG Expo show us that no action is too small when it comes to make difference, and that together we come closer and achievement the SDG one step at a time. Thank you for joining me as shared my experience of CAMSO.